Hello everyone, myself Pratibha Sonone from Sri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandal, Rasiklal M. Dhariwal College of Pharmacy, Chinchod, Pune. Today we are going to discuss about adulteration of crude drugs part 2. What are the contents of this video? First one, introduction. Second, methods of adulteration, reasons for adulteration, types of adulteration and measurement of adulteration. In last video or in last part we discussed about introduction, different types of adulteration, reasons for adulteration, and today we are going to discuss about different methods of adulteration. Now there are different methods for drug adulteration. Total 7 adulteration methods are there. First one, substitution with inferior or substandard commercial varieties. Second, adulteration by artificially manufactured substitutes. Third, substitution by exhausted drugs. Fourth, adulteration by addition of worthless heavy materials. Fifth, addition of synthetic principles. Sixth, usage of vegetative matter from the same plant. And seventh, adulteration of powders. We will discuss one by one. First one, substitution with inferior or substandard commercial varieties. Due to morphological resemblance to the authentic drugs, different inferior commercial varieties are used as adulterant, which may or may not have any chemical or therapeutic potential as that original natural drug. Now, in this type of adulteration, inferior quality drugs or crops are cultivated and they are mixed with the original genuine drug or substituted the total original drug. This type of inferior variety of the drugs, they contains very less amount of chemical constituent or they have very less therapeutic activity as that of the original drug. This is the most common type of adulteration. For example, Arabian Senna and Doc Senna have been used to adulterate Indian Senna, that is Cassia Senna. Second example, medicinal ginger, which is also called as Gingiber officinale, is replaced by the Japanese ginger, that is Gingiber myoga. Here you can see in this diagram the left side drugs, they are original drugs, and right side column drugs, they are adulterated drugs. First one, Strychnus nux vomica, which is substituted by Strychnus potatorum. Second, Indian Senna, which is substituted by Arabian Senna. Third one, Gingiber officinalis, which is substituted by Japanese ginger. Fourth one, Solanum xanthocarpum, which is substituted by Solanum mammosum. Second type of adulteration or method of adulteration is adulteration by artificially manufactured substitutes. Here the substance is artificially prepared to resemble the original drug, which provide the general form and appearance, that is color, shape, size, and are used as substitute of the original one. That means here artificially prepared drugs are adulterated with the original drug. This type of drug, they are similar in colors, size and shape or in morphological characteristics, and these drugs are used as a substitute for the original drug. Generally, this practice is followed for much costlier drugs. For example, artificial invert sugar for honey. In honey, original honey, artificial invert sugar is mixed so that the appearance or the other morphological characters will remain same. Second one, paraffin wax made yellow coloration and substituted for beeswax. Third example, compressed chicory in place of coffee. Third type of adulteration is substitution by exhausted drugs. In this type, the same plant drug is admixed, but it is devoid of any medicinally active constituent as they are already extracted out. That means this type of substitution is done by exhausted drugs. Exhausted drugs means the total active constituents or chemical constituents are removed from the drug, and these exhausted drugs they are used to adulterate the or used to substitute the original drug. This practice is most common in case of volatile oil containing materials like clove, fennel, cardamom and cinnamon. For example, exhausted clove is used to substitute the original clove. Exhausted ginger is used to substitute the original ginger. Fifth type of adulteration, adulteration by addition of worthless heavy materials. This type of adulteration is very much harmful one. Here the wastes from the market are collected and admixed with the original drug. This is particularly noticed for liquids and unorganized drugs. For example, limestone in asafoetida. Second, pieces of amber color glasses in colophony. Addition of rodent waste matter to cardamom seeds is a very harmful adulteration. And last example, white stones in rice. Sixth method of adulteration is addition of synthetic principles. Sometimes to fortify inferior natural products, synthetic principles are added. For example, add in citral to oil of lemon. Second, benzyl benzoate to balsam of Peru. Seventh type of adulteration is usage of vegetative matter from the same plant. Sometimes the other plants growing along with medicinal plants are mixed due to their resembling color, odor and in some cases constituents. For example, the lower plants like moss, liverworts and epiphytes growing on the plant's bark portion are mixed with the cinnamon or cinchona. Another example, stems portions are mixed along with leaf drugs like lobelia, senna and datura. Last type of adulteration is adulteration of powders. Besides the entire drugs, the powdered forms are frequently found to be adulterated. That means the entire powdered drug is replaced by the or is substituted by the other powdered drug which is same in appearance but having a very low quantity of chemical constituents and low therapeutic activity. For example, red sandalwood in capsicum, exhausted ginger powder in powdered ginger, and the powder bark is frequently adulterated with brick powder. Hope all of you have understood about the adulteration of the crude drugs. Thank you.